Hello everyone, welcome to our live stream. This is Carrie.
This is Lisa.
It is a great honor for us to have the chance to introduce our company to you today.
And today our topic is about the welding robot station.
Washi Company was established in 2001, and we already have about 22 years welding experience in the welding industry. So, welding robot station is 1 years back, and today we are going to show you the motorcycle frame welding check-in system, and these two machines are ready for
And let's go inside and let us introduce to you one by one.
Okay, if you are interested.
重新来是吧？重新。
没看到啊？你有看到吗？
怎么又那个？等会儿，别忙着。
Hello everyone, welcome to our live stream. This is Carrie.
This is Lisa.
It is a great honor for us to have the chance to introduce our company to you.
And today our topic is about the welding robot station.
Washi Company was established in 2001. We already have 22 years experience in the welding industry. And welding robot station is one of our main business. Today we are going to show you the motorcycle frame welding robot station and the Yaskawa welding robot station with the laser check-in system. These two machines are ready for shipment to Morocco and Bulgaria. And if you want to know more about our company and the product details, please don't forget to follow us. You can click the orange button on top to follow, and also you can click the catalog button below to contact with our sales manager to get the latest catalog.
And now we are standing in front of the workshop. Let's go inside and let us introduce our company to you one by one.
Okay.
Hi, Carrie.
Yes.
Can you please introduce our company workshop?
Okay.
The layout to
as you can see, this is the assembly workshop of our company. And now we are going to the machining workshop first.
Okay, let's go.
As you can see, this is the machining workshop.
Hi, Carrie. What are these machines and how many sets are there?
So we have totally about 7 sets of the milling machine and 5 sets of the lathe machine here. And we have some other wire cutting machine and CNC machining centers.
Yes, you can see our workers. So, and now, Carrie, can you please introduce this machine? And it seems a little expensive.
This is the CNC machining center, and these machines are suitable for producing the parts with the high precision requirements, the mechanical parts.
Okay, and does that mean all machine parts comes from here and we make it by ourselves?
Yes, most of the mechanical parts we are producing in our factories. so as to ensure the quality of the parts.
Okay, by the way, and our topic today is about the welding robot. So the welding robot production base also be this workshop.
No, we have totally two factories. Here in Huizhou, this factory is our headquarters, and the main products made here is the welding machines. We have another factories in Jiangxi province, and we have about 50,000 square meter plants there for mainly producing the robots.
Okay, let's to see. We have 2 factories in total, right?
Yes. So this factory is only 10,000 square meter for producing the resistance welding machine and some automatic welding machine.
Okay, and can you please let us know how many engineers are there?
We have totally about 200 employees in our factory, and we have about 20 engineers regarding the mechanical and electrical.
Okay.
Most of them got more than 10 years experience in the welding industry.
Okay.
So we can give the customer very professional advice on their requirements. Only you need to show us your requirements, then our engineer will come up with the suitable proposal for the customer.
Okay, that's to say we are one-stop company and we can design and produce all machine parts by ourselves.
Yes, yes.
Oh, okay.
As you can see here, this is the welding robot station for producing the motorcycle frame.
Welcome to our live stream.
So some of the customer will think what is the motorcycle frame and what does it look like. Can we show?
Yes, of course we can show.
So this is the motorcycle frame. This is the sample. This is the sample shipped by the Morocco customer, and they want to produce these parts. So they send the sample to us, and our engineer come up with the suitable solution for them. As you can see, this is a very complicated part. We cannot do the welding of the complete product in one step. So we will need to separate the welding process into several steps. As you can see now, here we have five robots working here, and all of these robots are for producing this frame. And maybe one robot is for producing some small parts here, here, and here. And after welding the small parts, we will have the robot to do the assembly welding for the complete product. So,
okay, so Carrie, we can see there are so many robots. And can you give us a brief introduction of the robot components?
Okay, sure. As you can see here, the blue robot body is the 6 kg robot with 1.5 meter arm.
Oh, Carrie, I have a question. And you said the robot is 6 kg payload. And what's the meaning of the payload? And can you give us a explanation?
Yes. Okay. So normally for welding purpose, we will recommend you to use the 6 kg payload, and because the welding gun itself is not heavy, so normally 6 kg payload is enough. But if you want to use the robots in other applications like handling, palletizing, and some loading and unloading purpose, then we need to choose the payload according to the actual product weight. So normally we would choose the 2 times higher weight for the robots. For example, if you want to pick up a 10 kg product, then we will recommend you to choose the 20 kg payload robot.
Okay.
Yes.
Carrie, and please can let us know the robot's arm length, and we want to know whether it's enough to cover all the working places of the product.
So if you want us to choose the suitable model of the robot for you, you can send us the detailed drawings of your product, indicating the material and the maximum or minimum size of the product and the welding position of the product. Then we will tell which arm length will be suitable for you, because for our robot model we have many different size. Like the standard one like this is 1.5 meter, and we also have 2 meter robots and 2.5 meter robots, and have also different payload robots.
Okay, Carrie, when customer want to buy our robots, and what should we know before we recommend the suitable machine type to the customers?
So just now I already explained, customer need to send us the detailed drawings and indicating the material and the size of the product and the welding position of the product. Then our engineer will come out with the suitable proposal for them. So like this robot, we have the robot body and the welding source. Welding source, let's check here, is we are using the OTC welding source for this machine. And this is the MIG welding. MIG welding is suitable for some normal steel welding. But if the customer have different welding requirement, we can choose the welding source for them according to their request.
Okay, Carrie, and we also want to know what's the yellow part.
Yes, you can see here, this is the positioner table. Positioner means the table can rotate 360 degrees vertically or horizontally. But this machine, we are choosing the vertically rotation positioner for the customer. And you can see some blocks here mounted on the table. This is called the fixture. The fixture is used to fix the product on the table, so to ensure the product will not fall down when the table is rotating. And we will design different fixtures for customer according to their products.
Okay, Carrie, and we also want to know the rotating speed of the positioner and the welding speed of the robot, because most customers want to know how fast it will be.
So literally the rotating speed can reach 120 degree per second, but during the welding process it will not rotate so fast. We need to rotate the positioner according to the actual welding speed. And normally the welding speed is about 6 to 10 millimeter per second.
Okay. And we also want to know what's this part.
And this is the, you can see this is the fast clamp. This is fast clamp. It is used to clamp the parts manually. And we will design the fixture according to the product. If you want to use the pneumatic clamp, we can also design the pneumatic clamp for customer.
Okay, Carrie, when customers have different types of products, and so the same fixture can be used on another product. If you have different size of the product, but most of the product are with the same shape, then only the length and width and height have some small difference. We can share the same fixture, and we can design the adjustable fixture for customer. Okay, and we also noticed that the yellow position is rotating all the time. So when we only need one side product, so we also do not need the position, right?
As you can see here, this is the fixed table. If you have some parts that only need to weld one side and you don't need to weld the back side, we can also use some simple table like this. We only need to make a fixture and mount on the table, and the robot can do welding on the parts accordingly.
Okay.
So in this case, the cost of the table and fixture will be cheaper than the positioner.
Okay. Carrie, we also want to know how to program the welding robots.
We are using the teaching box to do the programming.
Okay,
and teaching box, you can move the robot to the desired position, and the robot will memorize the position accordingly. And then you just save different points of the product on the teaching box. Then the robot will move accordingly.
Okay, and when we program the robots, and does it need the computer?
No, we use the teaching box here. We will show you. This is the teaching box. This is the teaching box of the robot, and we do the programming here. We will show you. We will show you the English interface. We have the different language interface in the system, like Chinese, English, and Russian. So after changing the language, we need to reboot the system.
Welcome to our live stream, and please click the follow to be our permanent fans. And if you have other questions, please print and send to us. And if you also want to buy the robots, you can click and send our manager your inquiry. Welcome.
So this is the interface of the robot controller.
And you can also click the catalog to download our company catalog and to know more about our robot details. Welcome to our live stream.
Welcome. Please leave your comments here. We will answer you questions one by one.
Welcome to our live stream. And please follow us.
Now our engineer is showing you
and we
the
will
system of the
introduce more details about the robot to you,
and how the program looks like. We are doing the programming of the robots in this teaching box.
Welcome to our live stream. And if you have questions, please let us know.
So now you can see the different programming in the teaching box. You can program the linear movement or the curve movement in the system. Because this is a 6-axis robot, and you can move each axis of the robot independently. There are 6 joints of the robot. Okay. So now our engineer will show you how to do the test welding with the robot. Let's come and see.
Okay.
Now engineer will do the welding test of small pieces of the sheet, so you can see the welding quality of this machine.
Welcome to our live stream.
Also, if you want to see the welding quality of your own product, you can also send the samples to our factory, and our engineer will help you to do the welding test. And if you need, we can send the samples back to you for checking the quality. And only if you are satisfied with our welding quality, then we can consider to place the order.
Yes, and after we testing the samples, we will send back to your city to check.
Okay.
Welcome to our live stream. And now we will show you the testing.
Now the engineer is preparing the material, and you can see the working of the robot and how the robot is working together with the positioner. And the robot and the positioner is working at the same time. It's synchronized. It's synchronized working with the robot and the positioner.
Carry and
So if you want to save the manpower and increase the efficiency, robot will be a good choice. And nowadays, the robot welding is more popular than before, because many factories, they cannot find the suitable worker for welding, because the experienced welding worker is very expensive and it is hard to find. So welding robot will be a good tool for replacing the manpower. Now the robot is ready, and we are going to show you the welding test now. Welcome to our live stream.
And please follow us to be our company fans. And if you have other questions, please print and send there. We will give you the answers.
As you can see, the robot welding is very stable and high efficiency. So here you can see the welding quality. It's very good quality than manual welding.
We will show you from every aspect of the welding quality.
Also, for welding different material or welding thickness, we can adjust the welding parameters on the robot. So it's very easy job.
Yes, very easy job. And it can save labor cost. Okay, Carrie, and we test the robots and now it's MIG robot welding. And when we weld other kind of materials, can we use other kind of welding source such as the TIG welding and the laser welding?
Yes, sure. We have cooperated with some different types of the welding source company like Panasonic, OTC, Bingo, and Magnet, and some other brands. So you can tell us your welding requirements, and then we can choose the suitable welder for you. And we have some special welder for the normal steel, stainless steel, and we also have some kind of welder that can weld the aluminum and the normal steel together. Only need to change the gun or the welding wire.
Okay. And Carrie, and can we see other brand robots?
Yes, we have our own brand of robots, our Washi brand robots. But if some customer they want to buy other brand like the ABB, Yaskawa, Fanuc, or the Kukan, and we are also the distributor of their brand. And if you need, we can introduce you some other brand also.
Okay, let's go and check.
We have one welding robot station there, and that is the Yaskawa robot, because that customer they want to use the Yaskawa robot. So let's go and see what this robot looks like.
Okay. Wow, this robot seems much bigger than the robots we visit now. And the positioner is very big and have 2 tables.
Yes. This is the 2-meter welding robot with Bingo MIG welding machine. And as you can see, this table is very big, and it has the 2 tables in total. This is the 3-axis positioner. It means each table can rotate independently, and the whole robot can rotate horizontally in 3,060 degrees, and each table can also do the vertical rotation independently.
So for this positioner, it can do both rotating on 2 sides, right?
Yes. So when one side is doing welding, the operator can load the material on the other side so as to save the time.
Okay, that can do cycle welding.
Yes.
Okay, Carrie, we noticed that there are sliding rails. So what's the function of this?
Because as you can see, the size of the table is very big. It's about 3 meters long, and the robot arm is only 2 meters. And so for some position, the robot cannot reach. So we use the sliding rail here to move the robot so it can reach different position.
So we designed the positioners and the sliding rail by ourselves, and it can work with the other brand robots, right?
Yes.
Okay, and we also noticed a detail when the robot begins to welding, and we noticed that there is a red part, and it has scanned the red light. So what's the function of this part? And it looks a little cool.
For this, you see there is a camera on the installed on the welding gun. 我走进去，他走进去拍那个摄像。And we are showing you the camera of the robot. This is called the laser checking system. We install this camera on the gun is for the robot to identify the position change during welding, because especially for the big products, the precision of the part will not be so good. So during after changing the samples of each part, the welding position will change a little bit. If we do not install this kind of laser checking system, the robot cannot recognize the position change. So it will cause the defect in welding. So this camera is help to solve the problem of the big products with the wrong position. It will correct the welding position automatically. So it will help to save the welding time, and also it will increase the welding quality.
Okay, Carrie, and how about the robot maintenance? And do we need to maintain it every day?
Yes, for some consumable parts we need to change every day. But for some mechanical parts in the robot, we will also give you the maintenance guide manual. Then you can follow the maintenance manual accordingly.
Okay.
Now we are going to show you the working process of the camera and the welding. Okay, welcome to our live stream.
Please follow us and to be our company fans. Welcome. And you can see the positioner is rotating now. And it will turn to the position, and the robot is waiting for work.
It will scan the position and the welding seam first. If the robot finds the position is different than the setting, and it will correct the welding position automatically and then start the welding. So it can ensure each time the welding seam is at the correct position. So there will be no defect during welding. Now we are going to show you the welding quality. So here this is the welding machine. This is different than the OTC welding machine. This is called the bingo welding machine. It can do the aluminum welding and normal steel welding with the same machine. And this is the control box of the 3D laser check-in system camera. And we are using the servo robot brain of the laser check-in system, and this is one of the most famous laser check-in system in the world. So if you have the high quality requirement, we can also help you to choose the high class robot with the high class 3D laser check-in system. But if you want to save the cost, we can also choose the Chinese local robots with the local laser check-in system. So this is we can recommend the different configuration of the system for customer.
Okay, Carrie, and we also noticed that on this position, we didn't say the fixture on that. So does that mean customers can make the fixture by themselves?
Yes, if you have your own engineer who can design the fixture for yourself, we can also provide you the table only. Then you can mount your fixture on our table, and this is okay, no problem.
Okay, and when the robot is ready, and can the positioner do the rotating movement at the same time?
Yes, because we are install the like this is Yaskawa robot with the Yaskawa servo motor, and so the robot and the positioner can work at the same time. It is synchronized.
Okay, that's very cool.
Yes.
Okay, and welcome to our live stream. And if you have other questions, please mention and send to us. And if you want to buy our robots, also please contact us, and we will give you reply as soon as possible.
Okay, please don't forget to follow us, and you can click the follow button on top to visit our store and follow and become our store fans. We will have some special discounts for our store fans.
Okay.
And later we will also introduce you our promotion activity. And this promotion activity is only suitable and applied to our store fans. So if you want to buy the robot, it is a good time and to be our store fans.
Okay, and so Carrie will also want to know for robots industry, and do we have other robot types such as the grinding robot, loading robot, or other types?
Yes, we also have other types of robots, but welding robot is our main strength because our company is specializing in the welding for more than 20 years. We have more experience in welding, but if customer they want us to help them to develop some other application like loading and unloading, grinding, and spraying, it's also no problem. Our technical team can also help them to develop that type of the robots.
Okay, Carrie,
Yes.
and how about the delivery time of the robot if a customer wants to cooperate with us?
So if customers they want to buy the robot body only, we can deliver the robot within 1 week because we have many robots body in stock. But if you want us to develop the positioner and fixtures and some other device, we will need time to design and manufacture the fixture according to your requirements. So the time will be a bit longer, and so the delivery time is based on the complexity of your project. If it is simple project, we can deliver within 30 days. But if it is a complicated project like the motorcycle frame project, it will take about 3 months for us to develop the system.
Okay, and Carrie,
we can also give the customer the production schedule after they placing the order, and we will tell them the process of the manufacturing.
Yes, that's so.
And also we will show them the pictures of each process so they can know how this project is going on.
Okay, yes. And Carrie, as you know, the robot is a little difficult for the first people to use it. And can you introduce our company after sales service? And can we send our engineer to our customer factory to install the robots and training their people?
Yeah, sure. So for customer, if they have their own operator who knows the robot technology, maybe only some difference in brand, so we can guide the customer online. Our engineer will guide the customer using some online tool like WeChat or some WhatsApp or some other online tool. So the customer will know how to do the program with our engineer together. But if you do not have such kind of operator, we can also send our engineer to your factory. So our engineer will help you to set up the machine, and also we will provide the training course to your operator until they are qualified enough to operate the machines.
Okay, so before the shipment, and the customer can also send their engineer to our factory to free training, right?
Yes. If you have the plan to visit China, and we will warmly welcome you and your engineering team to our factory, and we can provide you the free training of the robot operation in our factory.
Okay, and Carrie, how about the warranty time of the robots?
Welding time. It depends on the different materials and the welding thickness, but normally the welding speed is about 6 to 10 millimeter per second. But if you want us to calculate the whole welding cycle, it will be better for you to provide us the complete drawings and indicating the total welding seam length. Then our engineer can calculate the welding cycle for you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Welcome to our live stream and to be our fans. And if you have any questions, please send us here and we will give you the answers.
Okay. We have another grinding robot in the factory now. So later we will show you what the grinding robot looks like. Okay, let's go and see.
Okay.
We have many machines in the workshop now. So if you're also interested in other machines, please leave your comment and let us know. We can introduce other machines to you as well. Welcome.
Welcome to our live stream.
So this is the grinding robot. This is 30 kg robot because the grinding head itself is heavy. So the normal 6 kg robot is not suitable. So we choose this 30 kg robot mainly for grinding purpose. And this is the grinder. The grinder is equipped with the force controlling unit to control the grinding force of the grinder. So for grinding different parts, it can control the force independently. Okay, now let's start and show you the grinding process. As you can see, after grinding, the surface is smooth. The whole welding seam is removed. So this kind of robot grinding will be faster and high efficient than the manual grinding.
Okay, so this is the same robot type like the welding robot we visited before?
Yes.
Okay.
Do you have any other questions?
Yes, please send to us and follow our factory and to be our fans.
Okay. Do you have any? Okay.
我们來講 promotion 嘛。
So maybe one customer, they are asking what is the difference between TIG and MIG.
Okay.
So for the welding effect from the surface, do you have coffee making robots? Oh, sorry, we don't have the coffee making robots. This is different area. Our robot is mainly for the industrial aspects, like the welding, spraying, and handling, palletizing, etc. For the TIG and MIG welding, the welding effect from the surface is different. The color of MIG welding is kind of black, but if the material of TIG is stainless steel, it's generally golden or yellow after welding. Can your robot work with seam welding machine? Yes. Our robot can also work with seam welding machine, but the payload of the robot will be higher. For the normal 6 kg is surely not enough, so we will recommend you to use the 165 kg robot to do the seam welding.
Okay, and Carrie, what's the welding process of the seam welding robots?
For the seam welding robot, we are using the MFDC resistance welding saws. This kind of welding saws is also developed by our own company. As you can see here, there are 2 seam welding machines in our workshop. The seam welding machine is like this, and 2 welding wheels, and do the welding at the same time. And we can also move this part to the robot system, so the robot can also do the seam welding.
Oh.
Maybe customer they have the welding purpose for different projects, and some of the project they will require the robot welding. So if you have such kind of requirement, please send us your drawings, and we will make the steam welding robot proposal for you.
Yes. And Carrie, and I also remember that we also have the spot welding robots, right?
Yes.
And it's very big, and we also want to know how many payloads of this kind of robots.
For the spot welding machine, spot welding robot, it is similar like the steam welding robot. We are also choosing the 165 kg robot to work with the MFDC resistance welding source. So because for AC power, the transformer is very big and heavy and not easy to move. But with the MFDC power source, the whole size and the weight is much more smaller than the AC power. So normally we will suggest customer to choose the DC power for the spot welding robots.
Okay.
So unfortunately, we don't have the spot welding robot in stock now. If you want to know more details, you can send us the message, and we will send you the detailed video and the proposal.
Yes, and for these two kinds of welding robot is customized type. So if you are interested, you can send us inquiry about your product information and your welding request, and we will give you the technical proposal by our engineers.
And okay, so do you have the 165 kg robot in factory? Oh, sorry, we don't have the 165 kg robot now in the factory. So, but we have many project video and other proposal. If you want to know the details, please leave your email, and we will send the detailed video and proposal for you accordingly.
Yes, please you can send us inquiry, and we will go back details to you and send you some videos for reference.
Okay. So can I buy the positioner alone? If you are interested in the positioner only, then you can buy the positioner as well. But we are not sure what kind of robot you are using. Then maybe we need to equip with the PLC system to control your robot with our positioner. So you need to send us the detail of your robot, then we can tell which type of positioner is suitable for you.
Terry, I have a question.
Are you a robot manufacturer? Yeah, sure. We are the manufacturer. This is our own factory, and we have two factories, and this factory is mainly for some resistance welding machine and some automatic welding machine. We have another factory in Jiangxi province, mainly for producing the robots. Here we also have some robots, but these are ready for shipment to Morocco and Bulgaria and some other countries, because here in Guangdong, which is more near to the port, so we will ship the robot here in this factory, and then we load to the container and ship to the Shenzhen port.
Okay, Carrie, and we also want to know. If a customer have other kind of welding machines such as Alta and other brands, and can it work with our welding robots?
Yes, we cannot say our robot can match with all the welding source, but we can work with some brands. So you need to tell us the brand that you want to install, then we can tell if it is possible or not. And outside is possible because we have worked with outside before.
So does that mean when customers want to use their own welding machine, they need to check with us before?
Yes, sure.
Okay. Welcome to our live stream, and please follow us to be our fans.
Some customers, they want to know, do we have the consumable parts?
Consumable parts?
Yes.
Oh.
As you can see here, this is the welding gun. This welding gun is the consumable part, including the nozzle and the nozzle tips. We need to change this part frequently. And also we will give you the detailed pictures of each part that need to be replaced. So you can buy the consumable parts and replace by yourself. And another customer, they want to know the maximum payload of the positioner. For this positioner, normally the maximum payload of the positioner is about 250 kg. But if you have heavy products like 500 kg or 1 ton products, we can also customize the positioner for you. Only the price will be different because this is the standard one. So this is only 250 kg.
Okay. Welcome to our live stream, and please follow us to be our fans.
Okay, another question comes. What if the robot is collide during welding? Okay, once the robot is collide, it needs to reset the parameters because the robot cannot correct the welding seams. Welding seams automatically. So if you collide the robot, you need to reset the parameters. And we suggest you to install the anti-collision sensor on the welding gun to prevent this kind of situation. So the sensor will sense if the program is wrong and it is almost hit the product, and it will stop. It will stop automatically.
Okay, Carrie, we also have another question. And what's the cooling method of this welding touch?
Cooling unit.
Yes.
If customer they want to weld the thick material, we will suggest them to choose the welding gun with the water cool system. And there will be also a water tank to cool the welding gun.
And
so you need to tell us the thickness of your material, then we will recommend you the suitable gun and the welder.
Welcome to our live stream.
Welcome.
And if you have other questions, please send to us, and you can send our manager your inquiry directly.
Okay. Now, because our company is doing the promotion in March for the welding robots. So now we are going to introduce you our promotion activity. For welding robot station, we are going to give you a 6 months free welding torch consumable if you can place the order within this month. And also we can provide you the free online training and on-site installation and service for you. So, and also we will have a very good price for the robots. So the original price of the robot is 15,000 US dollar. But if you can place the order within this month, the discounted price will be 11,500. For our warranty is about 1 year after shipment. 1 year after shipment. So this is the promotion price. It's almost 20% discount compared with the original price. So if you are interested in buying the robot, it will be a good time. So this model of the robot is 6 kg and 1.5 meter arm and equipped with the OTC MIG welder.
Yes, if you have the purchase plan to buy the robot this month, please contact us.
So this price is for this robot. This is the 6 kg robot with 1.5 meter arm, and the OTC MIG welder is over there. Yeah, this is the OTC welder. So if you are interested in the robot, please do not hesitate to contact with us, and our sales manager will send you the detailed technical proposal and the quotation accordingly.
Yes, and if you have the plan to buy the robot this month, please
it
come
will be
here
a good
and
choice,
you
yes.
can save a lot of money.
Yes. So I think we already introduced a lot today about our robot project and our factory's details.
Yes.
As you can see, there are many other machines there. Like this is a huge machine for producing the IBC cage, and some wire mesh welding machines over there. And we will have next live stream this month for introduce you the other automatic machines. So if you are interested in the welding machines and other automation industry, please don't forget to follow us and be our friends, and we will inform you the date of the next live stream.
Yes.
For the Soul fans.
So do not forget to be our fans and click the follow and to be our company fans. And we will have another time live stream. We will inform you in time.
Okay. I think that's all details that we need to introduce today. It is time to say goodbye.
Yes, and if you are interested in robots, please do not hesitate to send us inquiry.
Okay. So at last, we will repeat the promotion again. We will have the 6 months free welding torch consumable and the free online training and on-site installation service available if you can place the order within this month. And the promotion price of the robot is 11,500. Okay, thank you for watching our live stream today, and it's time to say goodbye and wish you a good day. See you next time.
See you.
Bye-bye.